Welcome to SunPower Pro Tips. Let's replace the filters in the SunVault 1.3 ESS. This work should only be done by a qualified person who has received safety and product installation training. Each side of the ESS 1.3 enclosure has a filter. The filter on the left side is thicker and the filter on the right side is thinner. Begin by removing the left side filter door. Pull out the filter. You may need to tug on the filter to get it out. With the gray side of the filter facing you, fit the edges of the new filter, which is the thicker of the two filters, into the track and slide the filter down the slots into place. Replace the filter door. Using the new thinner filter, repeat the process on the right side of the ESS. If the filter is loose in the slots after you install it, remove it and insert it so that it fits snugly. Replace the filter door. When complete, dispose of the old filters properly.